How to fix lag and make your Google Chrome browser more faster. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chrome browser more faster easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just open your Chrome browser like this. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on those three dots and then go down here and you will find more tools. Go to the clear browsing data option and make sure to clear all your data in all time, and after that go back and this time click here and go to settings. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the privacy and security and go to site settings and make sure to disable the location and the camera and the microphone and the notifications. It's easy to turn off. Just click on it and click here on don't allow, and after that go to system, and this is the last step and the most important one. All what you have to do is just disable this option and disable this option too, and then click on relaunch, and after you relaunch it's gonna be more faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.